Hey there, we're back with another SignAgent tutorial. This one's going to be a how-to on how to add a sign to your floor and just a little bit of insight when you're placing that marker on the map and how you can add more information about that sign in its own little brackets. So here we've already added some signs. If you've seen the previous video about an overview of SignAgent, that one kind of just showed some more information as to what SignAgent is used for, how you can use it, and some of the, good things that it will help you do as far as organizing your installers and organizing your just database of your overall project. So here we're on building F and we're on floor 1. There's already some signs here, but we have to add all of our sign G's, which is going to be the inner stair ADA sign that is actually just labeling what floor you're on. So here, floor 1, if you click on your map, sometimes it'll zoom you all the way back out. We're going to scroll in with our mouse, our scroll, and zoom into where this sign is placed. I already placed the 2 on floor 1, but we're going to place the other ones on floors 2 through 4. So here's the first one that I placed. I like labeling them in a pretty good order. So this one's actually going to be F1-1. That stands for stair F1, and then this is going to be for floor 1. Here you pick your type of sign, so you already have to do your types of signs before you can actually place a sign on the map. We could do another video on that at another time, but right now we're on inner stair ADA sign. This is the direction that it's going to go, so you can change the direction of how your installer is going to install it. You could see here it kind of changes the little line with the arrow showing, this is the way that people are going to be seeing it. You can always change that back if you decide you need to move it somewhere else. We're going to specifically place this map marker right here because it's going to be on the left side of a door, which is compliant with ADA. And again, these are just going to say floor 1 with some braille on it. So we can type in here our copy of the sign. Again, this will show your installers which sign to pick from if they have ones that say floor 2, 3, 4, and they're on this map on their tablet when they're installing the signs. It's super easy for them to just click on this marker and it's going to tell them exactly what they need, what sign. We can also add a custom PDF. I don't know if I have one of this, but I can add that in here too. You can also add some other details. I don't really do this often. It kind of depends on how many signs you have and how complicated your project is, but we can go over some of that stuff later. And if you ever edit one of your signs on here, you do want to click save at the bottom, because if you don't, it's not going to save any updates that you made to it. So we're going to zoom out, and then you can click and drag on your plan to kind of move over around on the whole drawing. Zoom into this one. I already placed this one, but looks like the direction is off. I probably didn't save it. So we're going to want the sign to be facing out this way for the stairwell people that are coming down the stairs. And we labeled this one F2 because this is stairwell 2 in the building and it's on floor 1, which is good. Here we have our copy, our braille again. And we're gonna hit save, so it saves this direction. Again, your ADA sign should always be next to the side of the door that opens. So we have that one there. Then we can zoom out and we're gonna click on floor 2. That's gonna bring us to the next page of our architectural drawings. We can zoom in here. So sometimes when you add a sign, it'll randomly drop it on the map somewhere. This one looks like it wasn't placed at all. So our door is over here and our ADA signs are actually going to go again right next to the door. So we're going to turn this one around, place it here. So this is still stairwell 1, F1. So our number is good, and then this is floor 2. So the number is good, quantity is only 1. The copy is going to be floor 2 for both things. It's going to say that in English and then also have the braille copy underneath. And then we're definitely going to click save on this one this time. So I'll just click and scroll out, click and drag over to your next stairwell, and then here we can actually add the sign because it's not here at all. So to add a new sign, we're going to click here, add sign. Again, your sign types are already going to be imported. You can't add a new sign type here because you'll have to put some specific information when you create a sign type over here. But this is going to be our inner stair ADA sign. The door is over here, so the direction is good, the location is good, and then it's going to be stairwell 2, F2 dash floor 2. So here, when you first add a sign, you actually don't put the copy, the braille, the drawing, or all those other details in there yet. After you click save, it'll actually create that marker and drop it on the map. Sometimes, see, like it just drops it in random places for you. Sometimes it'll throw you like way far out of your drawing, but you can always find it. So we're going to place it here next to the door again, and we're going to do the same thing with the copy. And then because I edited the message, we do have to click save again. And then we're going to click out, zoom out, just make sure they're both there, and we're going to go to the next floor. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to add a sign here. So we're going to start on stairwell 1, sorry. And the inner stair ADA sign G that we're working on, and this is going to be for stairwell 1, floor 3. See, it does kind of just drop them sometimes wherever, but you can always just click and drag it right to where we need it to go. So we're going to zoom in here, see next to the door, drop it there, and make sure the direction is good, which it is facing out. This is going to say floor 3. And click save. And we'll do the same thing for stair 2. Add sign, same direction, stairwell 2, floor 3. It kind of just throws them wherever it wants. And just place it right there and upload or update this to floor 3 and click save. So that's kind of it as to adding a sign. Again, we can go back here and we can upload the individual PDF file for this sign. So this is going to be sign G floor 3. We can upload it here, and then our installer can actually see a full picture, or your client as well. In the overview video, I told you how your client can have portal access to see all of this that you're doing and approve and deny the signs that you place. If there's something wrong with the size or the spelling or colors, like they can approve something or they can deny it. If they don't want the sign, I explained how we did fire extinguisher signs for this client, and they didn't want them because the fire extinguisher company was supplying the signs for them, so they didn't need them from us, and they denied those signs when we presented this project to them in the beginning. So here I uploaded the artwork for floor 3. Now my installer will be able to see that, and you do want to click save again after you kind of edit anything in this field. We can go over here and add floor 3 PDF here too, just so they're all on here. I don't have everything exported right now, but I will definitely go back and do this before I have my installers start installing this project. Yep, and then you can just see it there. I'm just going to click save again because I don't know if that one actually saved. Yeah, okay, well, that's how to add a sign here. I'll do a lot of other tutorials in SignAgent, so please like, follow, subscribe if you want to see any other videos. You can always recommend something that you don't know or something you want to see. I know the licenses are a little bit expensive for this program, but it's definitely worth it, especially if you're doing multifamily housing, if you're doing any kind of large scale projects. I've done hospitals, clinics using SignAgent. There's a ton of stuff that you can do in here. Everything can be exported into like very organized documentation. Even those files that I just uploaded in there as the artwork, you can actually export those as well. So if you lose your artwork, it's always saved here. It's a PDF, it's vector. It's a really good program that just totally organizes your whole project for you. So if you have anything you want to see, please let me know. I like enjoying, or I'm enjoying making these videos for you. I enjoy using SignAgent. I'm still learning every day. There's so much to learn. There's so much more that you can do that I haven't done yet. So if there's something you really like, I would like to hear it. Or again, if there's something you want to see, just let me know. Thank you.